y'all, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's Claire here and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a healthy grocery haul. It's a new year, you know, I'm starting a new week, and if you've watched my videos in the past, I really got into meal prepping last year, like in the fall. I would say like last semester, but I'm not in school anymore. Meal prepping kind of just like made everything so easy, and it was so easy to like eat healthy, and I'm about to get back on track because I went home to Alabama for Thanksgiving, and then after that, it's crazy that that's been like 5 weeks ago. That was the last time, well 6 weeks ago I guess, was really the last time that I've meal prepped, and that's nuts. But I'm about to get back into it. I've worked out 3 days in a row, and everything that you're gonna see in today's video is really healthy, and I'm gonna kind of tell you what I'm gonna be meal prepping. It's gonna be a short video. I did not get a lot, but I did spend $100. And when she told me that, I was like, what did I buy? Because I thought I just got basic food for this week, because I came back on Wednesday after Christmas break, and that day I went to the grocery store and got things like laundry detergent and soap and body wash and toothbrushes and stuff like that that I needed, and I spent $100 on all of that too. So basically I restocked on everything that I needed, and I'm going to show you what all I got in this video. So if you're interested, keep watching. And I do want to say I did get plastic bags. That's just what they gave me today. I really need to get reusable bags, so don't hate me for that. I really am sorry, and we have recycling here in my apartment, so don't hate, just don't hate me. So normally what I meal prep is like salmon and vegetables and then like brown rice, and I like to change it up every week. So this week, or yeah, today I got, it's carrot and Brussels sprout saute. So I'm just gonna put this on like a sheet pan with some other vegetables that I got, and it's gonna be part of my vegetables for the week. And along with that, I also got, they were out of everything in the grocery store, okay? If you go on a Sunday, middle of the day, don't ever do that. It's asking for it, because they were sold out of everything. There was 1,000 people in there, honestly, probably. So they didn't have broccoli, which I like broccoli, but they have broccolini, and I like broccolini too. So I got 2 packs of this. So this is probably gonna be what I meal prep as like my side this week. It's a lot now that I'm like holding it, but it's gonna be for 5 days. So also got a yellow onion, and this is for my breakfast, which I will talk about in a second, but I just got one big yellow onion. Next up, this was one of the more expensive things that I did get, but I bought this last week, like a mini version, and I really liked it. So I bought some cold pressed celery juice, and I know that celery juice, like, there was like this big phase last summer or something like that where everybody and their mom was drinking celery juice, and I didn't really have anywhere to get celery juice. I didn't know where to buy it, but I got some of this, and I'm gonna drink it. This is expired. It expired on December 29th, and this was $10. December 29th. I know you can't probably see that, but okay, I'm gonna take, this is Best Buy. Now that was a week ago. I'm not using that, y'all, and this was $10 for this thing. Anyway, I'm really upset about that celery juice. But next up, I wanted, you'll see in a second, I got some spinach, but I needed some new dressing. And if you have a good healthy salad dressing that you're a fan of that tastes good, please comment that down below. That's like very serious, because I really only like unhealthy salad dressings, but we're trying to be healthy. And so I got this. It's a Simple Girl or organic balsamic vinaigrette dressing. It is 0 fat, 10 calories, 2 carbs and sugars, natural sugars from the vinegar, no sugar added, gluten-free and non-GMO. So it looked really healthy. So we're gonna see how this goes. So like I said, I got spinach, and so I wanted kale. They were all sold out of kale, but I got one of the spinaches. I'm going to chop it up because I make egg cups for breakfast. They're actually really, really good and helpful. So I'll eat like 2 egg cups in the morning. But I got this to chop up to put in one of them, and this I'm just gonna eat a little bit every night with that salad dressing on it, along with all the other vegetables. So that's gonna be like my dinner, is like super veggie oriented. Like I said, I got some salmon, and they were out of the kind I normally get like in the actual market area, but this is just farm raised salmon, skinless, from Canada. So it looks like we have like 2 fillets in here and 1 in here, but I'm gonna like chop them up smaller, because I think that was also a problem I had last semester was I was eating like too much. Like I would eat like a huge giant thing of salmon and then like a bunch of brown rice and then a bunch of vegetables, and I'm just gonna kind of cut down on my portions. Back to the breakfast, I got this instead. Normally I get just plain eggs, but I got egg whites, and it's not really one, it's kind of like reflective right now for some reason, but these are just egg whites, 100% egg whites. 25 calories per serving, and the serving is 3 tablespoons, and it says 2 tablespoons equals 1 large egg white. So I'll probably eat like 2 egg whites every morning like you get at Starbucks. Yeah, it does have a lot of sodium, so that's unfortunate. And along with the onion and the spinach, I also like to put turkey, and it says D&W light turkey breast. My favorite turkey breast is the mesquite smoked turkey breast from the deli, but I just got this because I feel like it's a little bit healthier. It's 50 calories per 2 ounces. My idea is to chop up pretty finely the celery, the turkey, did I say celery about the turkey? The turkey, the spinach, and the onion. I'm gonna chop that all up and pour it, like mix it with the egg whites, and then put it in like baking cups and bake it at like 350 for however many minutes until they're like good to go. So I'm already kind of to a bad start with this whole like life change because it is 3:30 in the afternoon and I have not eaten anything yet today. I have an extremely bad headache, and I know that's what did it because I worked out, had Spark, and still have not eaten. It's just like when I get busy, I forget to eat. But I got this rotisserie chicken from the deli area. It's hot, it smells so good, and I'm about to eat this. And then I also got some steam fresh broccoli cuts that are out of like the regular broccoli, which is normally what I get. But you just heat these up in the microwave, and I'm just gonna eat that and the chicken for like a late lunch, early dinner situation. And I don't recommend doing what I did. But I also got another bag of that as well. Back to the juice situation. These are what I got this past Wednesday. I've already gone through another one of these. This is the Suja brand organic cold pressed green juice. I cannot believe that celery juice was so expired. I'm really upset. But yeah, this is just, you've probably seen this in the grocery store before. I got this little shot. These are kind of like expensive. They're like $2 or $3 a shot. I shouldn't have got it, but I got this berry one. It was a probiotic shot the other day, and it was actually really good. And this is a digestion shot with ginger and probiotics. So I just feel like I'm doing something good for myself when I take this stuff. And this is something I pretty much had in my cabinet, but I wanted to show you guys. This is what I typically eat. Sorry, the lights are weird. The lights are like down today. I'm filming like in a different situation. But this is some Uncle Ben's Ready Rice, whole grain brown rice. Super good. Easy to eat like 1/3 of the bag or a half a bag with your food. You just heat it up for 90 seconds. To go with my egg cups, I want to start, I have not had like a fruit in a really long time. I realized the other day, like I don't ever eat fruit, and I know a lot of fruits have sugars in it, but berries are really good for you. So I got some berries. I got blackberries, and these were on sale for super cheap. And then also got some blueberries. So I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna wash these out today, so I can already have them made up in the fridge into like little servings. That way in the morning I can't say, oh, I don't feel like washing them this morning. They will already be washed. That's what I normally do anyway, whether it's like strawberries or whatever, because I get really lazy in the morning. Well, not even like lazy, you know, you're always behind in the morning, so that just makes it a little easier. But got another one of my favorite things ever. Lemons are like my favorite thing ever. If lemons, I think they're a fruit. I guess lemons would technically be my favorite fruit. I love lemon anything. Water with lemon, lemon pie. I love lemon in like sweet tea, which I haven't had in forever, but I love lemons. So typically I'll just put this in my water, and then also when I make salmon, I like put it on top. Next up, I got me some snacky snacks for worky work, and these are the Emerald 100 calorie packs natural almonds. So there's 4 grams of protein per thing, no sugars added, has a little bit of fiber, and so I know almonds are like good for you, and most of them are really expensive when you buy almonds, and these were only like $4 or something, or they were like 2 for $5, I believe, and so that's why I got these. I don't really like almonds. My favorite, if you ask me, I love pistachios, I love boiled peanuts, and I love honey roasted pecans and walnuts from New York. There's stands in New York called Nuts for Nuts, and they have honey roasted nuts, and the honey roasted or like the sugar honey roasted walnuts are like amazing. Some other snacky snacks I got from work for Worky Work are these Protein 1 by Fiber One bars, and they are 90 calories, 10 grams of protein, and 1 gram of sugar. These are chocolate chip protein bars, and by the way, I got all of this at Giant Eagle grocery store. I know they don't have it in the South, but it's very similar to Kroger in my opinion. I love Kroger. Worked at Winn-Dixie, first job. Love Publix. I feel like everything that I've shown they have at those other places too. But yeah, I got these for Worky Work too. They just looked really good. And then also, I know myself, and I know I will probably crave dessert randomly. For that, I will eat berries, but then also when I'm not feeling the berries, I got these guys. These are some other Fiber One brownie chocolate fudge bars. They're 70 calories, 2 grams of sugar, 5 carbs, and so I figured if I'm gonna make a mistake, then, or not a mistake, make a choice to eat something a little bit sweeter, this wouldn't be the worst thing to do. Okay guys, besides like toilet paper and laundry detergent and stuff that I got the other day, that's pretty much it for this video. If you want me to do these, like, you know, ever so often when I go to the grocery store, because I do like to change it up. Like sometimes I'll do like chicken or shrimp, or if you want more meal prepping videos, I'd love to do that, or what I eat in a week, because I am going to start changing it up, because I was doing really good for a moment there, but it wasn't super consistent, and then on the weekends I would make bad choices, but now I just really want to make good choices all the time. But thank you for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Let me know what you want to see next down below, and have a great new year.